Okay, untuk lab minggu ni kita continue dengan identifications of sedimentary rock. So the objective of the lab exercise this week adalah to identify the physical properties of the sedimentary rock. Since due to the limitations that kita cannot observe the batu physically, alright, but then I think it's quite enough to observe through the pictures of the sedimentary rock. Right, okay, so there is a form. If you refer to the manual, there is a form that you need to complete. There is a table that you need to complete with all the physical properties of the given sedimentary rock. Later, I will share with you the pictures of the sedimentary rock that you need to observe. Alright, okay, but what you need to do to fill up the table is the sample number. Simply just write the number lah, sample 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then the rock name, the name of the rock is also given. You just rewrite the name of the rock given. And then the color, state the color of the rock that you see through your eyes. If you see that brown color, you just state the brown color. And the texture. Okay, the texture, whether you write it's a plastic together with the grain size, plastic, fine grain or medium grain or coarse grain, ataupun tekstur dia jenis crystalline, fine, medium ataupun coarse, dia punya particle size, or bioclastic, sama ada the particle size is fine or medium or coarse. Okay, crystalline, what is the crystalline rock? That form through chemical reaction. Bioclastic, that form from organic material. And clastic, that form through the weathering process. So the next slide nanti I will show you. So the mode of origin, what you need to write, whether it's from the weathering, okay, sama ada you tulis dia as weathering, or natural chemical reaction, ataupun you write down as organic. Ada 3 mode of origin, so pilihlah nanti. And then the compositions of rock, mineral that makes up the rock. Okay, so we are not geologists, so kita tak boleh nak identify yang tu correctly. So this one you can Google what are the mineral compositions for each rock. And then for the classification, okay, whether you write it as a clastic, okay, based on the texture tadi, or the chemical, okay. Kalau texture dia crystalline, maknanya classification dia adalah chemical. And whether it's organic, so dia ada 3 classification, sama ada it's clastic or chemical or organic. Okay, alright, so this is a little bit the brief line sebab kita tak masuk lagi topik sedimentary. Okay, so clastic sedimentary rock ni, it's actually from the weathering process ni, maksudnya daripada physical forces like due to hot weather, cool and hot, siang malam, and then due to raining, hujan, dia akan produce cracking to the batu, batu tu boleh crack. So daripada the big size of rock due to physical reaction, maksudnya sama ada due to cuaca, due to suhu, that batu tu dia akan detach, terpisah daripada batu yang lebih besar, kita panggil parent rocks. So proses ni dia akan ambil masa yang lama. At the end of the day, dia akan jadi batu tu lebih kecil. Okay, so that one is from the weathering process. Alright, so dia punya texture, you kena tengok lah, contoh dalam sampel ni, okay, untuk batu yang ni, you nampak tak dia ada grain size, kita panggil grain size dia, size yang kita nampak ni. Yang ini the more tu besar-besar, coarse is for the size yang lebih besar. And then dia ada sikit-sikit kat sini yang halus tak nampak ni, itu fine, tapi dia dominated by the coarse grain. So kita tulis texture nanti as a plastic in bracket coarse grain. Okay, contoh organic. The words of organic, kita tahu that the batu is formed daripada bahan-bahan organik ataupun fosil, made by organism. Contoh to identify dia adalah You look at the batu, you akan nampak like the animal bones or the plants kan. Contohnya ni, you can see that the shell kat sini ada macam tulang ikan and so on. Okay, so this one group dia adalah organic. So the texture adalah bioplastic. Kita kata dia coarse because you nampak the particle of the bones kat sini. Right, that one is the coarse. Kalau fine maknanya dia halus, so kita tak nampak dia macam dotted like that. And then for the chemical ni from inorganic, bukan daripada organic lah. So it's a naturally chemical process, chemical reaction. Okay, contoh dia macam garam, rock salt. And that one is the chemical process yang menghasilkan rock salt. Okay. The group is a chemical, origin dia chemical reaction, and the texture tadi dia crystalline. Mana yang chemical, the texture is crystalline, but then you see the medium size dia sama ada dia coarse, medium or fine. Kita kata dia medium kat sini because nampaklah sikit dia punya sizes dia. Okay. Alright, so nanti you fill up based on that. Okay. Kalau of course untuk origin tu mungkin tak sure sebab kita tak observe dia secara directly, so you can use Google lah to identify that one. Yang obviously you can see adalah by organic lah. Once you can nampak dia punya whether it by fossil ataupun tidak. Macam for example for the limestone, macam limestone dia ada dua, sama ada by organic ataupun by chemical. Tapi obviously mana yang by organic dia akan nampak dia punya animal bones ataupun plants yang ada. Tapi by chemical normally yang macam dalam gua tu, dalam cave so itu yang mostly ada juga yang by chemical. Okay, ini contoh kalau chemical sedimentary rock salt. Okay, dia naturally occurred due to the chemical process. And clastic, we have the sandstone. Clastic ni normally dia ada size dia is like sandstone, siltstone, gravel. Okay, and this one is fossil limestone. You nampak dia ada shell dekat sini. Okay, dia bentuk dia. Right. So you can also refer to this source, this table. That one from the manual lab actually. Yang mana coarse grain, the particle size yang kita boleh nampak tu more than 2 mm, medium 1/16 to 2 mm. Okay, and then you can refer to this one lah. Okay, alright. Okay, so ini for example nanti contoh conglomerate, color is grey, the texture is clastic, and due to weathering, composition of rock is coarse, classification as a clastic, and also attach the picture of the sample. Okay, so I hope you can fill up. This is a group task, so you bahagi-bahagilah, communicate with your group member. Okay, thank you.